The Nunoo wireless CarPlay for Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Upgrade your driving experience with this advanced multimedia navigation system, designed specifically for Mercedes-Benz C-Class W205 models from 2014 to 2018. Featuring the latest Android 12 operating system, this wireless CarPlay system is equipped with a powerful 8-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 chip, ensuring faster running speeds and seamless performance. With 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of ROM, you'll have more than enough storage space for all your multimedia needs. Connect your mobile phone effortlessly with the CarPlay and Android Auto functionality. With a dedicated iPhone app and Android image, you can mirror your phone's interface directly onto the car's screen, allowing for easy access to your favorite apps, music, and navigation. Installation is a breeze with the Nunoo wireless CarPlay. It only requires one screen and connection cable, eliminating the need for external boxes or complex measures. Additionally, professional video guides are available to assist you throughout the installation process. Enjoy the flexibility of dual system switching. This CarPlay system is compatible with the original car system, allowing you to seamlessly switch between the original car system and the Android system, as per your preference. Experience stunning visuals on the 1920-720 ultra clear resolution display. With CarPlay's Hey Siri feature, you can control your device using voice commands. Stay connected with built-in 4G 5G Wi-Fi connectivity and enjoy the convenience of Bluetooth compatibility. Navigate with ease using Google Maps online navigation and take advantage of the split-screen feature to multitask efficiently while on the road. Upgrade your Mercedes-Benz C-Class with a Nunoo wireless CarPlay and elevate your driving experience to a whole new level of convenience and entertainment.